Peace YouTube, what's up, boys and girls, Invictus here back. We are gonna make some new videos, magic and comedy as well. So, for first, I want to say that I'm really sorry I haven't posted in a longer period of time because I really was busy. The summer season was killing me and I kind of survived. I'm here, I'm back on track, and we are gonna do this. For this video, I invented a fairy tale about the kingdom, and it goes something like this. Once upon a time, there was this beautiful kingdom which had his king and the queen. The queen was made out of sugar. People say she was sweet, but the king was brave and loyal to his people. He loved them, he cared for them, so they named him King of Hearts. And he did everything great, his entire kingdom was beautiful, but one thing he failed. One day a group of bad people came and took his queen away, far, far away, and imprisoned her in the dungeon. Therefore, the king was devastated. His heart turned black. He was so devastated that he couldn't believe. And then he went to his good friend to ask him for the advice what to do. His friend was a prophet. But that's a story that we are gonna continue back later while we show what happened with the queen. So the queen was imprisoned in the dungeon, and she called out through the window for her good friend Wind to come to help her. Wind came, but he said, "You see, their magic is strong. If I get you out through this window, you are become invisible and you'll be lost in this labyrinth." She said, "Well, that's better than be here, so let's go." And Wind, of course, helped her. Wind opened the dungeon and he gave her hand with escape. So, while she was getting out through the window with his hand, she became invisible and she was lost in the labyrinth, as the Wind said. What happened then? We are gonna back to the story when the king asked Prophet what to do while she's inside the labyrinth. The prophet said she's gonna be lost in the labyrinth of the wind, and you can find her. When you get there, resolve it, and in the middle white door she will be. Then the king came and found the labyrinth, of course. And then he realized there are white doors. And he said, "Oh, I'm gonna open these middle ones." And he did. Unfortunately, the queen wasn't there. So he was thinking, what am I doing wrong? How can I repair this? Oh yes, repair. The prophet said, I have to repair the entire labyrinth. And kinda so he did. He tried really hard. He got it repaired. And he finished it really good. And then he saw again a white door in the middle. He said, maybe my queen now is behind this door. Let's see if she's there. And then he opened those middle white doors. And his queen indeed was there. And for the final, he was so happy with that his heart turned red back again. Thank you very much, peace. See you in the next video. In Victor Start.